Hey guys, welcome to Magic Gimmick Tutorials. In today's video we'll be getting started. Yeah, that's what the part of the book's called. This is the second part. Getting started, page 6, so we'll get on to that. Right, now I'll zoom into the page. Give me a second. Alright, so if you can see those words. So it just gives you tips on like the performing in front of people. So for instance, never tell anyone how the trick's done. That is like the first rule, don't tell anyone. Practice each trick repetitively until you've got it perfectly, so you don't have any mistakes when you're performing. Keep your audience directly in front of you. Yeah, that's a really good tip. Don't repeat trick in front of the same audience. It might be, they might figure out how it's done if you keep doing it repetitively. As a general rule, don't tell audience what you're going to do. It will build suspense, so you can build suspense as you're doing your trick. Use expressions, gestures to enhance your act. Example, you can frown, showing that you are concentrating hard. Make sure all your props are in perfect working order, and look good. No scruffy wands or hats or whatever. Once you have learnt the trick and can perform it, you may choose and alter it if you want. This can be fun. You can also make up a story as well if you want, like practice perfect the story or pattern that will be performing each trick. That would be great if you could perform a story. Also, perform against a black or a dark background under good light. So those are really the tips in this book. That's getting started, and then next we'll be reading this in next video of the series. Anyways, hope you enjoyed, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.